jackal, and the big one is hyena.
Oh, they got the food, huh?
One got the hyena killed.
Ah, it's the mummy.
No. The big one
Yeah.
is the hyena. The small one are the jackals. They are not related.
Oh.
One they eat.
Yeah, I think he got one.
Yeah, you want to eat the one.
So the hyena wants to eat it.
Yeah.
No, lion not eat.
Yeah, one. I mean, hyena is coming. You see, the big one is coming here.
Yeah, the hyena is
Help
coming.
police want to kill this.
Oh, one is coming as well this way. You see?
Yeah, that's a hyena.
Yeah, I want to check the baby. Oh.
And all this gazelle and everybody is looked down to the seaside just in.
Yeah, he's killing, he's eating.
You come in.
Yeah.
Oh.
A small thing like
Yeah. Yeah, here was coming.
But it's too late.
Oh.
Nah, he be hyena, sure. Obviously.
Oh.
Hyena, but
See, so they are eating.
Two of them now.
Oh, you see?
Oh,
They took it.
yes. Nothing they can do.
there's so much running away, they're still trying to get there.
So she's very nice. This is famous. Big time.
As with humans, a big mouth is important in intimidation and dominance. Noise earns its keep by making bloodshed unnecessary. He's been taught a lesson and will be forever less likely to bother a baboon. Leaving the tree too early, before the baboons are completely gone, shows how inexperienced he still was. There's only one defense, thick cover.
Yeah, he's killing, he's eating.
You filming?
Yeah.
Oh.
A small thing like
Yeah.
pasta.
Yeah, here was coming.
But it's too late.
Oh.
Ah, he behind us, sure. I will see.
Hyena, but
Two of them now.
Oh, you see?
Oh, yes. Nothing they can do.
How's this going to turn out? He pulled at the end of them. Try to get him away from there. I must have a mess there. Yeah, you're really not helpful. Yellow bird.
Bluebird, smart.
So not helpful.
The females press forward, but the adolescents are listless and uncoordinated, unsure what to do next. The hippo takes advantage of the standoff. Duclaw didn't see it coming. 900 kilograms of pressure clamped down on her skull.
إذا عزلت فردا يقع في ورطة كبيرة. والآن يشن الجاموس هجوما باستعمال دفاعه المطلق. الهجوم. يموت ملك الغابة.
Спасибо. Засмеси меня.